Alright, first cast in the kayak. It's kind of tippy, so I don't know how long I'm going to keep it, but see what happens. Alright guys, first fish of the year for me. Took me way too long this year. Get situated here. Ate that stick. Nice, so I'm using that new VMC crossover ring. And this is the Kayak salty core sinker. I don't remember exactly what they're called. Not gonna weigh this guy, but yeah, it's probably like 1.5 pounds. Maybe 2 pounds. Actually, it's my first fish of the year, so I might as well. Alright, scale says 185, so that's a 172. Yep, so I thought between 1.5 pounds and 2 pounds, right in the middle. Come on, there you go. Do you need a trailer? Oh, fish! My drag was way too loose. It's a good one. No, I got him. I'm flipping him. Oh. Dude, he thumped the hell out of it. Oh, dude. I forget what a jig bite feels like, and dude, he freaking hammered it. Think he wanted that jig? Freaking choked it. Hooked in the crushers. He's longer than my fish. But my other one I caught today, but he's not as fat. 2.51. Not as fat. Take it.